Drivin Ivan here with a 1957 Oldsmobile Super Fiesta. You could have it in two forms of 88 and Super 88, I believe. But man, what a presence. I was just saying to my car buddy, you know, I don't care what you drove today. It can't be much cooler than this, can it? I mean, look at that. Kitschy, cool, 50s style. Look at that. Not really the normal fins we're used to seeing, but fins nonetheless. And wow, it's cool. You know, Oldsmobile, probably a little more understated than the other cars of the day, I would say. Although, you know, that's like saying the less crazy of the crazy, I guess. But super cool. And this one's bagged, dropped, and it's got the side pipe. I don't think it's real, but it's there for show.
Yeah, that's not gonna really work.
And really kick-ass metal flake.
The guy actually has
paint job, and
that's where he
just
was.
oh so cool. Well, next to an Aston Martin. That's funny.
That's
Do search Drivin Ivan in any car, and you'll find my reviews, including the Aston Martin, Porsche 996. That's what I drove today. Not that one, different one. But yes, smash that like button if you haven't already, and yes, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, TikTok, and thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.